Good morning, OPOS stars. Hello, baby OPOS stars. We'll be doing a cheese and chili tapas. We have done a rewrite in the international group today, so I'll just extend it with the local version of the chilies. We start the stopwatch, start deseeding the chilies. If you're using the big chili, you don't need to deseed, but I wasn't able to get them, so you have to deseed the chilies, else they'll be too hot to handle. Make a pocket and remove the seeds. Use the back of a spoon if you like, if you're allergic. The heat is in the seeds. So we'll deseed them, stuff them with cheese, and just pressure bake them with the oil buffer. And they'll become lovely snacks. Pretty spicy snacks. The bigger the chili, the easier it will be to handle, and the less spicy it will be. But I'll make do with whatever I have with me. The loading should take around 5 minutes. The cooking would hardly take any time at all, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Pull out the central vein if you can. Like this. Like so. Just take enough chilies which can fit into one layer of your pot. You want all chilies to get nicely roasted. You can safely serve this to a large crowd because it's very tough for people to have more than a couple. So what we have here will actually feed around 10 people or so. Okay, I think we are done. Clean this up and start stuffing it. I'll take some cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like, or even paneer, grated paneer mixed with some masalas if you like. Just grate it or crumble it with your bare hands, whatever is easier for you. Pack as much as possible into the chili. think that should do. The cheese is good. Open up the pocket. Just stuff as much as you can. And start layering. Don't add 2 tablespoons of oil. Ensure that the cheese does not touch the bottom. It will melt on heating. And we'll stop the cooking just before it starts to burn. That should happen in a couple of whistles. You don't need any other masala. The spice from the chili and the flavor from the cheese is good enough for this. Maybe you can sprinkle a bit of sea salt if you like, just before serving, or a drizzle of olive oil if you want to replicate the traditional Mediterranean or Spanish flavor. So this could be served as a tapas, as a snack which accompanies drinks. It's actually based on a Spanish recipe. Just ensure that the stuffed portion, the cheese portion, faces up, does not touch the bottom. We'll have room for a couple more. I'm sorry it's taking a bit of time, but there is no shortcut for this. Last one. That's it. Close and cook on high for a couple of whistles. You can reserve these for the second round. You can already see some white smoke coming out. That's because of the very less contact area, and because irrespective of how careful you are, it's always possible a bit of cheese touches the bottom and starts to burn. Don't worry about it too much. Just ensure that the cooking time does not cross around 4 to 5 minutes. Once the pressure builds up, you are safe. If your contact area is less, as in this case, only 50 to 60%, see, look at the white smoke coming on the sides. That happens because the contact area is very less. But the original recipe calls for a bit of charring, so I'm going to let it char. That's it. You can also see the whistle is very short, which means it has problem with building up steam. The smell of intense flavor of chili. Just wait for it to settle down a bit. Then you can remove them carefully. Ensure that the stuffing does not leak. The cheese is melted. Remove them carefully. I guess bigger chilies or fatter chilies would have been better for this. Still able to remove them, but there is a bit of cheese which has been grilled too. Now the challenge is to arrange them and make them presentable. That is your grilled cheese. Now arrange them in the best way you can. Look at that. Nicely grilled on one side, bursting with cheese. Let me try this. It's a bit of salt and a bit of lemon juice. That's all it takes. Try another one with the grilled cheese. That's much better. Sprinkle a bit of sauce, salt, lemon juice, arrange them well and serve it as an appetizer. Thank you very much.